I need to sweep up. I need to sweep this place. Daily routine, daily morning routine. I need to sweep. And this broom here, guys, this broom. I need to sweep this place. Let me sweep, and then we'll talk about other things later. I'm gonna sweep. I'm just gonna undo. Hey, sweeping. Hey, guys, there are some areas if you don't bend your back, you'll never know. Behind the seats, beneath the seats, you have to sweep. Because if you don't sweep there, this broom of yours has to have a longer handle. My broom has to have a longer handle because beneath the seats here, beneath the seats, you have to sweep, guys. Otherwise, you think that your house is clean, but let me tell you guys, hey, and why these things? Oh, who puts these shoes under the table? You people. Shoes are just everywhere. Everywhere. And you guys expect me to laugh with you. And not slipper. This is not a bathroom. You don't put slippers in the living room. How? Don't. And can you imagine people finding slippers in the living room? Oh. Hey. Guys, it's not easy. And who is going to hoover this carpet for me? The carpet has to be hoovered. That's what I'm saying. It has to be hoovered. Yes, I'm sweeping, but the carpet has to be hoovered. Ow! These heavy seats, you know. Did you know that the doctor said I should not lift these heavy things? No lifting of heavy things. That's what the doctor told me. That I should not lift heavy things. And you people still want to leave these seats on the way. So, yeah, don't sweep the carpet. The carpet has to be hoovered. Yes, bring the hoover. Alan will help you with the sweeping. Yeah. And whose medicine is this? You people, when the medicine drops down, you don't pick it up. It is medicine. It's supposed to treat you, not to make you sick, because it falls down and it's no longer medicine because it's dirty. And this seat is an ISO. That's it. That's it. It's an ISO. Should remove it from here. So guys, welcome to this channel. This is Never Age TV. please subscribe to this channel, guys. Hey, yeah, sweeping everywhere in this house. A lot of work. For those that are new here, this is a place, a platform where we discuss issues of life. And I'm now tired. Ooh. This is where we discuss issues of life. Guys, you are welcome. If you are new here, welcome. And if you are returning and you know this channel, you're a friend of this channel, thank you for subscribing. And I don't take it for granted that you have subscribed to this channel. Thank you. So guys, please subscribe. Let me finish with the sweeping. And we'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye-bye.